Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to my channel. It is Nicole, and I am making those savings happen every day for you. Guys, you see my background, you see all that gain. We are about to do a fabulous gain deal for you. So get your paper and pencils ready, get your scissors ready, cut those coupons out, get your app open and clip those digitals, because we're about to have a very low out of pocket for some Gain fabric softener as well as detergent. But before we get started, I need you to do me a huge favor, and I need you to hit that subscribe button as well as the like button and the bell. That way you'll always get notified as soon as I post a video, so you can run out and do those savings and you can share it with your family and friends. If you're watching me on Instagram, just follow my page. That way you don't miss out on anything else. So guys, let's get started. You're going to need to clip the $5 off 25 coupon in the Dollar General app. And remember, you can only use that coupon on Saturdays. And then there is a $5 off $20 worth of Gain products. You need to clip that coupon too. So we're going to use both of those digital coupons in combination with some paper coupons. I'm going to flip the camera around so that I can show you exactly what products I'm going to get. So the Gain detergent is on sale for $4.50. It's normally $5. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. So although they're on sale for $4.50, we won't be paying that because we're going to have paper coupons that we're going to use. Plus, we're going to use the digital coupons, okay? Now, I'm going to also grab some fabric softener. So let me show you which one I'm getting. So the fabric softener is $3.95. So I'm going to grab 2 of those. Okay? So I'm going to head up to the register, and once we get to the register, I will show you what paper coupons I'm going to use, and you will see the digital coupons come off. So let's head up there and let's show you our low out-of-pocket savings. Okay, so I'm here at the register, and I'm going to put my items up on the counter, but I'm not going to show the cashier's face because I don't want to embarrass her on YouTube. So you see me putting my items up, and I'm going to move down here so that you can see them ringing up. You can see that the detergent is ringing up at $4.50. It's regularly $5. Okay, so you see my total is $27.45 with tax. So I'm going to put in my phone number so that my digital coupons can come off. And remember, the 5 off 25 you can only use on Saturdays. Okay, so you can see those are all coming off. So my total now is $15.90. So I'm going to give her my paper coupons. So I'm going to give her the $2 off Gain products. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At Dollar General, you can use 5 of the same coupon in one transaction. Even though I got 6 Gain products, I'm using 5 of the same coupon, and then I'm going to give her 1 of the $1 offs. So that's a total of 6 coupons because I have 6 products. So as you can see, my coupons are coming off. Oh my goodness. And my total is $4.90 plus 29 cents tax. We all know that the tax is going to vary depending on where you live. And then my total is $5.19. I saved a total of $21. Now, guys, if you don't think this is a fabulous deal, I'm not sure what you call a fabulous deal for Gain products. So, once I pay for this, I'm going to, just getting my money here together. I'm going to show you guys the breakdown on my receipt once I get to the car. So I'll be back with you guys in a few seconds. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car and I just want to show you the breakdown on my receipt. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see that, okay? Okay, so now you can see the Gain rang up $4.50, and then you can see the store discount 73 cents, $1.04, $2 manufacturer coupon. Same thing with the next one. I'll just keep going down. You can see how all the discounts came off. So as always, you can combine a store coupon with a manufacturer coupon. So you can see my total was $4.90, 29 cents tax, a total of $5.19. I saved $21. And don't forget, there will be a coupon printed at the bottom of your receipt for $5 off 25 for the following week. So remember to save that so you can continue to do these fabulous deals. So guys, don't forget to clip your $5 off 25 as well as your $5 off 20 Gain coupon and go out and get your free, well it is free because you'll get a bunch free, because if you're only paying $5, it's like you're getting the other 5 products for free. So go out, get that detergent at a very low price or free, however you want to put it or however you consider it. And guys, as always, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. If you go out and do the deal, come back and comment on the video. Let me know how you made out. If there's any deals that you want me to do, comment that below too, so I can go out and do them and help you save. As always, keep on saving.